In this video, we're going to talk about 7 things that short-term rental guests want when they stay at your place. So here we go. First thing guests are going to want when they arrive at your place is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi plays a crucial role in our everyday lives. People who visit your place who want to work remotely are going to need it. People who have kids who have tablets may want to allow their kids some time on that device in the evening, since they likely don't have toys there to play with. It may give their kids something to do while they're there to keep them entertained. The second thing we're going to talk about is a furnished kitchen. People like to have a furnished kitchen. There's a reason they're staying at your short-term rental and not at a hotel. They're able to cook meals. They're able to prepare things the way they want to. They can maybe save a little bit of money by not having to go out to eat. All these things are great features that you can provide to your guests if you furnish a kitchen. You should probably have things such as an oven, a microwave, a refrigerator, a coffee maker, a crock pot, cooking utensils. Anything you can think of that they may need, you're going to want to provide. A pizza pan. These are all things we have used when we've traveled. They are greatly appreciated when they are provided by the host. And if a property didn't provide those things, we probably would look at another place to stay. The third thing that guests want when they visit your place is extra pillows, extra sheets, and extra blankets. Everyone has preferences on their pillows. Some like them soft, some like them fluffy, some like them hard, some like them flat. There's many different types of pillows. You can't please everyone, but if you provide several different varieties, maybe they can find that one that fits just right. I know when I travel, I usually don't sleep very well, and I can usually pinpoint that back to the pillow I'm using is not right for me, and I'm sure other people have this problem as well. My wife is usually cold, so she appreciates extra blankets. So there are people that maybe have preferences that you don't. Keep them in mind. If you can cater to those people, they appreciate it, and they will end up getting good reviews. Also, it's nice to have an extra set of linens just in case something happens accidentally. You just never know. Someone could get sick, or there could be a spill. So to provide extra linens would give the people the option to change theirs out if something like that were to happen. The fourth thing guests are looking for when they visit your place is a designated workstation such as a desk. Many people are now working remotely as full-time positions. If you provide them a place to get that work done, they may travel to your place, get some work done, and then also enjoy the area wherever your house is, or your condo, or your apartment, whatever it is that you're renting out. So if you provide that desk, you provide them with an opportunity to do that. It's a lot better than just having them have to work at the kitchen table or an eating counter of some sort. If you have that designated place where they don't have to break down their laptop and put it away every time they're done using it, they will greatly appreciate it. The fifth feature that guests are looking for when they visit your place is keyless entry. And to go along with that, it would be a contactless check-in. People prefer self-check-ins. It saves a lot of hassle. When they arrive, they can just enter the property and start getting comfortable. In addition, a keyless entry actually makes self-management a lot easier because you can control when the people have access to the property. You can also designate specific codes for each person so that not every person has the same code. And then you can tell who's coming and going as that door gets locked and unlocked. The sixth thing people are looking for when they visit your property is laundry facilities inside the actual building. People do not want to have to leave the building to go run a load of laundry. It's inconvenient. You sometimes have to worry about if other people are accessing the washing machine or the dryer while you're not attending it. So Some people may actually feel obligated to sit there and wait for the cycles to complete. This is not a great way to provide a comfortable and relaxing vacation for people, and it is appreciated if it is actually inside. They don't have to leave the main door of your short-term rental to access these things. It also provides them a way that they can run laundry while they are in bed, or while they step out for a short term. So people appreciate that. It makes it very convenient. We've actually stayed at a place where we thought it was going to be inside the main door of the place we were renting, and we found out that it was a shared facility among the entire building, and that was extremely inconvenient, and we wouldn't stay at a place like that again. So keep that in mind when you're considering laundry for your guests. And finally, the seventh thing that short-term rental guests are looking for when they visit your property is the availability of a swimming pool or a jacuzzi or hot tub. Guests look for things like this. It gives them something to do while they're on the property and provides just an extra feature that some places may not have, and it can set your property apart from others. I understand that this is not always feasible for every property. You are limited to some physical restraints of your property, and sometimes a jacuzzi or hot tub won't fit, or there is no place to put a swimming pool. But it is a feature that guests are looking for, and if you can provide them, it may give you an advantage over competitive properties. If we've missed anything that you think is an important feature that should be included in vacation rentals, please drop us a note down in the comments section, and it'd be great to have a little discussion, give people an idea of other things that they can provide that will attract guests more easily. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, ring that bell so you get notified when we have new content out. We really appreciate you watching. Check this end card that's coming up for other videos that we have, and we'll see you next time.